Hi everyone. So today's lesson is about adding rational expressions. And at the end of the lesson, you must be able to add rational expressions. So in adding rational expressions, it's quite the same with adding fractions. So recall that when we add fractions which has the same denominator or similar fraction, we only add its numerator and copy the uniform sign or the uniform denominator, which is 3. So it's 4 plus 7 all over 3. The common denominator is 3. So that is going to be 11 over 3. When you add fractions which are dissimilar or different denominator, the first thing that you're gonna do is to find the LCD. So you have to find the LCD for 6 and 2. So 6 is a factor of 3 times 2, whereas 2 is a factor of 1 times 2. So common factor here is 2. You bring down that, and then you bring down everything that has no common factor. So that is 3 times 1. So 1 times 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. So meaning 5 over 6, that is already expressed in, the denominator is already 6. And then 3 over 2, you have to multiply it to make it 6. I'm gonna multiply this one, both the numerator and the denominator, by 3. So you have 3 times 3, that's 9. 2 times 3, that is 6. So this is 9 over 6. So it's similar now. So you copy the common denominator, which is 6. 5 plus 9, that is going to be 14. Do not forget to express in lowest term, 7 over 3. Another way of solving that is 5 over 6 plus 3 over 2. 6 divided by 6. We know that the LCD is 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 divided by 2, that is 3 times 3. So this is 5 plus 9 over 6, that is 14 over 6, lowest term 7 over 3. Let's use this concept to solve the following, to add the following rational expressions. So notice that number 1, they have the same denominator, which means they are similar fraction. It's called similar because they have the same denominator. So using the concept earlier, I can immediately add this one, since they have the same denominator as 4 plus 7 all over 3y, that's 11 over 3y. Since 11 and 3 don't have the common factor, that is going to be the final answer. Number 2, x minus 2. It's a common denominator to 3x and x. So I'm gonna add directly the numerator. So it's 3x plus x over x minus 2. That is 3x plus x. It's 4x over x minus 2. I repeat, this has been my reminder over and over again. Do not cancel out here x, because that is like one term, the x minus 2. When you cancel out x, automatically the negative 2 will be canceled out as well. So that is going to be the final answer. Now you try to do the practice exercises number 1, and do not forget to hit or click the submit button in your Go Formative.